Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you and I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class, so I am here to teach you SST Standard 2 Chapter 16 and the chapter name is The Earth. So today we will see about the Earth and the different types of features also on Earth. Now before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, carom, video games. In fact, you can complete your holiday homework, project work, because these marks it will add in your term 1 exam and it will help you also. So it's better that you can complete it, and whatever the homework you are receiving on online classes, that also you can complete it. I hope that till chapter 15 you have completed your all homework. If you don't, then please complete it. You have a lots of time, so use the time. Please just complete it everything and complete all the pending work. And I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home, and whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly, and it will kills the germ and we can save from the COVID-19, because we know that we are in very pandemic situation, virus like COVID-19. So it's better that we stay at home, and we can, because of these virus we can die also. So it's better that we can wash our hand at least 30 seconds, and we will meet very soon once the school will open. And whatever the homework I'm giving you, I just want all the homework once the online class once the school will open, because I have all the records and I want all the homework. So it's better that you can complete your homework on time. And I'm just going to read the big book and explaining. So please open your book and please read with me. If you don't have the book, then please purchase it. After finishing the online class, the chapter will finish till these 2 topics. It's the short chapter and I will finish, of course. And then after whatever the homework and after finishing that homework also, you can complete the new word also. And whatever I taught you in online classes, after finishing the online class, you can go through the chapter and you can read the chapter once again. Next is what? Just go to the topic. I'm just going to explain you. So our topic is what? The chapter name is The Earth. Chapter name is The Earth. So first of all, we will know about the Earth. I think you have learned about the Earth in standard 1. Earth is what? We lived on Earth. We lived on Earth. See, I am not looking the book. I am just explaining in my word. Then after we will go to the book and we will see that what is written in book. Exactly is written or the same similarity is there, whatever I told you. So we lived on the Earth. Earth is what? It is our third planet. Third planet means what? In our solar system we have 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So we have at least 8 planets in our solar system, and Mercury, Venus, Earth. Earth is what? It is the third planet in our solar system where we lived. In Earth planets we have a life. So we lived on the Earth and it is our third planet in our solar system. So Earth is what? I think, have you seen Earth when you have learned in standard 1? It is look like an orange. Orange is a fruit's name. I think you know, and you ate the orange also. So it's like a orange. So we can't see the Earth, but we can imagine and we can see the globe also. With the help of picture we can think, yes, it's look like that same things. So it is made up of land and water. In Earth we have at least 25% land and 75% is water, because there is lots of water, but safe water is only 25%, because all the water, seas, ocean water is salty and we can't drink that water. Now just go to the book, that what is written in the book. So please take out your pencil and whatever the line I told you to underline, please underline it. Once the online class will over, you can learn that all the underlined sentences. So first of all, first line is written that we live on the Earth. Exactly what I told you, that we lived on the Earth planet. It is our home. Earth is what? It's our home. We can spend our life here, we can die, we can birth. Many people die, many people birth. So it's what? It's our home. We also know that it is a planet. See, we also know that the earth is what? It is our planet. It is third planet in our solar system. The shape of the earth is round like a ball. The shape of the earth is what? It's look like a round, like a ball. I think you have saw the book Ball. So it's like exactly the same. It's like exactly the same. The earth goes round the sun and gets its light and heat from it. Now you see that, now you think that how the earth will get the light from the sun. Then before Mercury we have a sun. Sun is there, it's a big ball of heat, gas, and it gives us light. So from there, because the planet is the third planet, so it directly receives the heat, light, and so that's why the earth planet, it gets the light, heat of the sun. Because Mercury, Venus is the small, earth is what? Earth planet is the big planet, so that's why they directly, sun is there, sun is the top, so third planet is there, earth, so directly it receives the heat, light, and the brightness. So the earth goes round the sun and then it gets the light and heat from the sun. The earth is made up of land and water. See, I told you, and its picture is also written. So the earth is what? It is made up of land and water. It is made up of land and water. So earth is what? 3 parts of water and 1 part is land. It means, we suppose the earth is what? It's like 4 parts. Then in 3 parts we have a water, and in 1 part we have a land. Like the same, that 25% land, 75% water. I think these I have explained in standard 1 also on board. Then what? The earth has air all around it. The earth is what now? Here also, where we have lived, where we are sitting, where we are drinking, everything, the air is always present around us. So you can underline the third topic from the. So what is the definition of atmosphere? If anyone asks, then you will say the earth has air. The earth has air all around it. The earth has, suppose it's the earth and the air is all around it. Suppose it's a earth, like round like ball earth, earth is there, then it's all around, air is there, it which is called the atmosphere. So it is called the layer of air because it protects the earth, so that's why it is called the layer of air. It is called the layer of air is called atmosphere. So it's written in your book, from the you have to underline in atmosphere. So again I am repeating, so please just see that. From the you can underline the earth has air all around it, which is called the atmosphere. The air which is all around the earth, that air is called atmosphere. So easily you can say the layer of air of earth is called atmosphere. Next line also you can underline a small model of earth. So if this, you can see the small model of earth, that is called a globe. A small, it is always present in our principal house and like police station and these all things. So a small model of the earth is called a globe. So from the till globe you have to underline. I am repeating, so please match it. Then the earth has air. The earth has air all around it, which is called the atmosphere. A small model of the earth is called a globe. Next is, we find many different natural features. In fact, on earth we can find many different types of natural feature. When you will go in higher class, I will explain in details. But earth is what? On earth's surface we have a different natural features, such as like you can see, such as plains. You can underline from plains. These all are the natural features. So plains, mountains, hills and rivers, these are called physical features. These are called what? These are called physical features. So plains, mountains, hills and rivers, these are called physical features. About the plains and the all physical features we will see in the second videos. So please guys watch the second videos, part 2 lecture 2. Till that, thank you and have a nice day.